Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to find and see your Wi-Fi password with command prompt, also known as CMD. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's super useful to know your password so you can then go and use it for other devices. So come to the bottom of your computer, type in CMD or command prompt. Right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. You'll get a Windows security. Pop up. Now you need to go and start by typing in netsh like so, and then you need to type in WLAN space, show space profile, press enter. You'll then see the different profiles, and these are essentially networks you've got and joined. In this case, I want to find the Wi-Fi password. To this network here, guide around Wi-Fi. Now type in WLAN space, show space profile, and then you need to use quotation marks and type in the name of the profile exactly as it shows in the list, which I have done. Now here, put more quotation marks and type in. Key equals clear. Now press enter. It will take a moment. Now find the section Security Settings and find Key Content. And that is your Wi-Fi password just there, and you can then go and use it on other devices or whatever you want.